Hey guys, what is up? Today we are making pasta with vodka sauce. It is a fairly easy recipe. We are going to first start by adding 2 tablespoons of olive oil to our pan. Let the oil get hot and then add 5 cloves of garlic which is roughly chopped to it. Fry it for like 5 seconds on its own and then add chili flakes to it. You are going to add 1 tablespoon of chili flakes. You can change the amount according to your personal preference. Now fry them till they are aromatic, which will take you around 20 seconds, or you see the garlic get slightly brown on its edges. After that is done, add your tomato puree to it. I took around 6 to 7 tomatoes. I peeled them first and then pureed them. The sizes of 6 to 7 tomatoes may vary, so go ahead and measure it, and it should be around 500 grams. This will serve 4 people easily, but if there are more people, you can double or triple the recipe. We are going to cook the tomatoes until it's reduced and all of the raw taste of the tomatoes is gone. And when it reaches to that point, we are going to add our vodka to it. So the reducing of your tomatoes will take you around 15 to 20 minutes. While it's reducing, go ahead and add 2 leaves of basil which is chopped. You can add the whole leaves if you want to take it out later. So when it's like this thick, you are ready to add your vodka to it. Stir it around and add your vodka. Make sure your heat is off or else your hand might burn. After adding your vodka, let it cook for 2 to 5 minutes. This will allow all the alcohol to evaporate. It is totally safe for kids to eat as well. It won't get them drunk or anything. All the alcohol is anyways getting evaporated and nothing is left behind. The vodka just helps to enhance the flavor and hence is added to this dish. After like 2 to 3 minutes, your tomatoes are gonna look like this. At this point, we are gonna add our fresh cream and salt to it. You can also add heavy cream or whipping cream to it, but fresh cream is easier to find in India. So after adding that, we are gonna mix all the tomatoes and the cream together until it forms a homogeneous mixture. It's going to look light orange, and make sure your heat is on low at this point because it is going to splatter and we don't want to burn ourselves. After it is mixed well, we are going to cook it for 5 to 7 minutes to get it thick and creamy. When it reaches this consistency, you're going to turn off the flames and keep it aside. Now for completing the dish, take a fresh pan, add 1 teaspoon of butter to it. Wait until the butter is completely melted and then add half a teaspoon of crushed garlic to it. You can also use garlic paste. To that, add half a teaspoon of chili flakes. These things will just help to add extra flavor to our pasta. Then fry them until they are fragrant. Then add your previously made vodka sauce to it. I would say this is around a big spoon, which is not an accurate measurement, but this would be somewhere around 1/3 cup of the vodka sauce. Add equal amounts of pasta water to it, not normal water, pasta water, because it contains starch, which will help you thicken the sauce and make it really smooth. After you mix it all, add your pasta to it. I'm using penne pasta over here because the name of the dish is penne alla vodka. Coat the pasta in the sauce. I required a little bit more sauce. You can add more if you want. If you want it to be a little bit more runny, go ahead and add a little more of pasta water to it. But make sure that the sauce entirely coats the pasta. Taste for salt and your pasta is done. Just add a little bit of basil at the end. This will give a really nice aroma to the pasta. Don't forget to like and share this video. Also subscribe to my channel because I upload new videos every week.